Have you ever wondered why in India people are learning foreign languages while we have hundreds of regional languages available here? There are a lot of benefits. Let's find out. So first, let's talk about me. I learned French language. I completed my intermediate level. Learning never really ends, so I'm still practicing, still learning, still finding out new words every single day. So why? What are the actual benefits why you should learn a language? If you see in India, you might have noticed and you might have studied as well a foreign language which is compulsory to take. So have you ever wondered why they add the foreign language to your syllabus and why is it actually important? Why do we care how to say hello in French, how to say how are you in German? I never thought I will be visiting a foreign country in my school days. So why was I learning? So in this video I am going to talk about my personal experience of learning a foreign language, how it actually helped me. And mind you, I am not just going to talk about the academic and career benefits of learning a language. I'm also going to talk about personal level satisfaction and the learnings that you actually get from learning a foreign language. So of course there are academic and career perspective benefits and I'm going to talk about those as well. But first I want you to take a look at a bigger picture. Why is it really important to learn a language? I don't know if everybody relates to it or not, but I kind of always feel that not everything you do in life should have a motive. Sometimes I do things which are not really helping me in my career, but I like doing it, so I do it. So the French language, it's not just my passion, it's not just my hobby. I have also turned it into my professional journey. I'm working in the French language domain and probably will be continuing doing so. Okay, so without so much of yapping about myself, I think let's begin with the video. The first benefit that I have personally felt is before learning French, I did have few friends, but after I started learning French, I became from an introvert to extrovert because I wanted to practice the language. Deliberately went to people and made conversations in French because I knew they won't be actually judging me so much because they are also learning the language. They might appreciate that I am making a conversation with them. You can connect with so many people in the world. I'm not just talking about talking to people, it's about connecting with other language, with other culture. You can watch movies, you can listen to their songs. Most important thing I believe is traveling. Once you learn a language, your door opens to traveling. You don't even know how many programs exist where you can travel by earning, you can travel the world. Otherwise, if you plan to travel just by your own money, it's kind of costly. Not everybody can afford it. Even I cannot afford it just going to a foreign country and just spending so many euros, dollars. It's not possible for everyone. But learning a language opens the door to, traveling. You can go out, meet new people with new cultures. I'm not sure about every single language, but I know for French and Spanish, we have different programs where you can travel, teach in their countries such as Spain, France. They actually pay you for it, but how do you actually get there? By learning the language. Let's talk about the second benefit which we don't realize. Your brain develops the skill of multitasking. Oh my god, I have become so patient by learning a foreign language because when we are young, we are just made to learn a language. For example, in schools in India, I used to learn English, Hindi, so I didn't even realize when I learned that language. But if I had to learn the language from scratch, it will be really frustrating. Imagine learning strealing, pulling right now. I don't think so my brain can even process it. So the point here is I started learning French as an adult and it has made me so patient because there are so many concepts. It's very difficult to remember each and everything. You force your brain to remember things. You try to do multitask. You translate the two languages and try to find out the actual meaning. It's amazing what it does to our brain without we even realize it. Also talking about brain, it actually increases our creativity. I've always loved making videos. I'm not a very camera shy person, but after learning French, I thought of making different type of videos. For example, if I love cooking, I thought, okay, maybe I can make videos for cooking, maybe in French. Actually learning a skill helps you with so many other things. It opens the door for so many different activities you are not even imagining right now. I never thought I would be starting this channel. I had a music channel I thought I will be doing music my whole life, which I do. I love music so much. You can see my the third benefit. It's not actually a very benefit, but I don't know what to say, but I just wanted to add this point. For example, I learned French, so I'm talking about that experience. French is so much more related to Hindi than English. I know, it's crazy. I was like, what? Is it possible? Because we always connect every single language with English. We are so used to it. But if you're an Indian, if you see, there are so many things in Hindi and French. Sometimes I remember our teachers used to teach a concept in Hindi because it was much easier to understand by Hindi. They had some of these same grammar concepts. Crazy, right? So it basically helps you to connect with your own language. Number 4, I think you all are waiting for this point as well. Career. Of course, language learning definitely helps you with other things, connecting with people, watching movies and so on, but definitely it helps you earn more. If you have an additional skill like a foreign language in your CV, of course the MNCs and the enterprises will hire you because you are different. So I'll give you a real life example. I work in a company where there are different people. Some speak French, some don't, but there is a huge difference between the pay of people who are hired for French and for people who are just, there for English. It can definitely help you increase your pay, also get you better jobs. I'll probably make a separate video, what kind of jobs and what all stuff, whatever I know, just take it. Okay, so the next point, I have kind of lost count. Where was I? But anyway, I think the points are more important than the counting. Confidence. So learning a foreign language increases your confidence so much. Like I mentioned previously, I was an introvert. I used to hate talking to people, especially making conversation. Not me. But when I started learning French, I kind of became open-minded. I deliberately went to people to make a conversation. I kind of used to feel shy. Previously, I used to think that, oh, what if I say a word wrong? What if they just judge me? You know what? When you'll not make any mistakes, how will you know what you are doing wrong? Even if they're judging you, maybe they're criticizing you that, oh, you don't know this word, you said the sentence completely wrong. So what? It's okay. Let them correct you. If they know better, it's good. Take that knowledge, use it. I think these were quite a few of benefits that I felt in my personal life learning the foreign language. I think I've been learning the language for more than 3 years now. I'm at the intermediate level, so it's a level where you can actually make a conversation with other people without so much of hesitation. So if you were waiting for a sign to learn a foreign language, please go ahead. You have no idea what your brain can do, and you also have no idea how many new things you will be learning. It's not just about learning a language, it's about learning a whole new culture, their festivals, food they eat, and also traveling. If you love traveling, why not? There are multiple opportunities where you can use your foreign language. It will help you travel the world. So let me know if I motivated you even a tiny bit. You can comment down below which language you are thinking to learn, and if you need any suggestions regarding French, I will be more than happy to help you. I trust you. You can definitely learn a language. I think by understanding all of these benefits, it gives you more the reason to learn a foreign language. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. I think I will see you in the next one. Till then, ciao.